This is called sash bow, and within no time I'll show you how to tie this. Before doing a perfect knot, let me show you the problem what we have when we try to do a knot in a regular fashion. So once you do this and then you do like this, you see this knot comes down and this is not you want. So just untie this and then tighten this like this, fold this part like this, and the other part you take this over like this, and underneath this you bring this through that hole that we have made, take the other side of the bow, and then you go ahead and adjust to make it a perfect bow. So once you're done with and you adjust everything, you will make a perfect bow like this. It's as simple as that.